and welcome to another episode of Learning How to Automate with Zenphi in under 3 minutes. Today I'm going to be going over how you can build a flow to be able to request verification codes and then disable them after a certain time. This can ensure security while also giving users the opportunity to be able to request verification codes from the IT team, since ideally we only want certain users to be able to access the form. The first step is a Zenphi form, which you can configure in any way you want. Here I'm asking for the user's email who is requesting the verification code, as well as a motive for this code. Then the next action I'm going to be using is find user. All you have to do is set up your connection to Google Directory by clicking on the plus icon here to create a new connection. After you click on authorize, we're going to need to indicate the email of the user, so we can use the token picker to get it from one of the questions here. The next action we have is one of our newest additions to Zenphi. This one is called Generate Verification Code. Again, you set up your connection, indicate the email, which would come from our form. Then we're going to notify the user of their verification code. So here you can copy anyone needed. For example, the IT team, I have added their email to a variable. After you set up your connection to Gmail, you can customize the email any way you want. And then if we click on the token picker, we're able to pull the verification code from here so we can send it to them. In this case, I've indicated that they only have 25 minutes. After sending the email, we're going to use this action called pause. You're able to pause for a certain amount of time. You can choose more time. In this case, I've indicated 25 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and invalidate the verification code that was generated. So again, we're going to indicate the email. We can retrieve it either from the form or from any of the previous actions, since we do also have the user info action here. And last but not least, we're going to use the send email action once more to be able to notify them that it has expired. This is not only a very simple flow that you can use to be able to grant access, but it'll also make sure that these verification codes are only enabled for a certain amount of time to ensure data security. Make sure to check out the rest of our playlist so that you can learn other ways that you can automate in under 3 minutes.